So right now I'm hearing this sound. Literally sounds like gunshots right now. The lights are off in the house so I can get a better look. Some sort of gunshot sort of sound. Yeah, it's really weird. I hear a lot of weird things out there. What was that? Did you hear that? Weird. So yeah. Yeah, you hear that? Almost sounds like a gun. There he goes again. They were closer to the house before, so they're a lot louder. Like on the street over there. There it is again. So weird. Yeah, why at this time? It's raining out and I don't know. What the? It's like coming from over there, then it's over there. It's not a gunshot, but is it a homeless man throwing things? Just don't understand. It could be anything, but it just sounds like a gun. It just seemed to just stopped. It's just gone now. Yeah, bizarre. There's someone blasting music. Yeah, weird. Trying to catch it one more time. See if it comes. Sounds like it's coming from like the soccer fields. Hear that? Doesn't sound like gunshots anymore. Sounds like somebody's tinkering with something. Definitely sounds like it's coming from the house over there. Yeah, I don't know, but yeah. Weird sounds. Okay, see you guys.